How to clean stickers on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean stickers on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines in the top corner and now click settings. Here you will find clean storage. Just select it and then turn everything off and then click on stickers, and here you will find clean and click on it, and as you see stickers has been cleaned. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.